Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TROV. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very, very nice move today with the volume and the price action with it. So we'll map out some levels of support, then talk areas of resistance. So the first level of support is what I would call the ideal level, meaning if you're saying, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be right there at 90 cents. If the price can stay up above 90 cents, that would certainly make the chart look the strongest. Now, if the price falls below it, by no means am I saying that the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can stay above it, that would be a great sign of power on the bull's part. Taking a step back, though, and looking at the big picture of things, and really just figuring out a very simplistic way to answer the logical question, that question being, hey, Clay, how can we measure the health of this move? You know, the overall health. Is there a way that we can do it in a very simplistic way? And yeah, that's where it's all about. The purple line right there, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword there being moving. So as time goes by, that line's going to continue to move its way upwards like that. And if you stop and say, well, that looks like a trend line. Exactly. That's a very logical conclusion. And when you stop and think about, okay, well, what does the price have to do in order to stay above an uptrending trend line? Well, the price itself has got to continue uptrend, which is by definition what a bullish move is. So that's why I love charts. When you look at them certain ways, they really do insult your intelligence. So again, very simplistic way. Hey, Clay, how do you measure the health of the overall move? Simply put, as long as the price is above that purple line, bulls are in full health, no questions asked. Now, what about areas of resistance? If this upwards move is going to continue to fight forward, where are some of these potential battlegrounds at? As it stands right now, that level is going to be right up there at the dollar mark. I mean, it makes sense. It's a dollar. That's kind of just a psychological level anyways. And then, you know, the chart is already confirming that. You can see a couple of times this afternoon, price tried to get above it. Couldn't quite do it. Temporarily got above it earlier in the day, but that didn't last very long. So a dollar public enemy number one going into tomorrow. But all in all, good solid day. And as long as the price keeps on building higher bases, that's the name of the game. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.